You can work out as hard as you possibly can. You can eat as clean as humanly possible. But when it comes down to achieve the body of your dreams, it all simply boils down to programming. Now, what is programming and what is a goddamn workout program? Well, when you start training, you're supposed to classify your muscle groups and assign them a day of the week, on which you will train them separately. In easier words, it's a lot like school itself. Chemistry assignments on Monday, maths quiz on every Friday, and so on whatsoever. And you're probably like, so, what the hell am I supposed to do? Well, lucky you that there are a few different types of programs out there, and I'll cover 4 of them in today's video. On number 1, we have bro splits, which I do not recommend doing because you target one muscle group one day of the week and it doesn't work. Number 2, we have upper body and lower body splits. As the name implies, it doesn't need much explanation. Full body workouts are on number 3. And I do not recommend this if you are a full-time student. You can pause the video to read. On number 4, we have push-pull legs, which is what we will talk about in this video. Before anything, I just wanted you to know that this program is absolutely free, and I've provided a few PNG images of the program itself which you can download and distribute without any issues. Just don't sell them, okay? So let's begin. A push-pull program is a program in which you train like this. Push means the muscle group that help you in pushing motion. These are your chests, your shoulders, and your juicy thick little triceps. Pull means the muscle groups that help you in any pulling motion. These are your back, your forearms, and your sweet buttery biceps. Leg means quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Alright, so once we're done with that, let's talk about what exercises are we gonna do in this program. And I'm really sorry about how the rectangle is reacting in this clip, but you're gonna have to bear it with me. So let's just take a quick look. We got flat bench press, 2 sets, incline bench press, 2 sets. You also want to do that with dumbbell from time to time, decline bench press. We got flies and whatever. Really sorry about that. One thing I want to mention is that deadlifts are mentioned in the back and in the legs as well. And what you want to do is that you don't want to do deadlifts on your back day. You want to do deadlifts on your leg days, which is better than doing them on your back days. Also, I have mentioned core and abs as 2 different things, although they are the same thing. And pros will kill me for this, but I know. But the reason for that is that I just wanted to let people know that you have to train your core. These are exercises that you must do to develop better strength. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments down below. I'll be answering a lot of them.